Good day everybody, this is Chris with marketingintelligence.com, and on today's video I'm going to show you a fantastic way based on two websites on how you can make from $50 to almost $1,000 by just typing keywords up to 10 words. Great site, great way to do it. If you're creative, you're good with words. Even if you are not, you may be catchy on giving suggestions to what I'm going to show you in a bit, and you can make a lot of money out of it. But before we go ahead and start this video and show you about the two websites I'm talking about and how you can earn money with this way, I invite you, if you're ready, to click my number one way of making money below on the description of this video in order to see my number one recommendation. And if you haven't already, to click there you go, on the right side of the video, the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow my videos in order to see the different ways you can make money online. So with no further ado guys, let's go ahead and check out today's video on how you can make money. Today I'm talking about two different websites, but you can work on both of them, so we'll give you more chance to gain more money on this one. And one of them is called sloganslingers.com. Again, everything's gonna be on the on the description below this video, so you can get the links and URLs from there to start working on these sites. So sloganslingers.com, and the other one we're gonna see is Slogan Jobs from Freelancer. But what is this really fast? These sites are getting hired from companies where they are new, they want to start a campaign, an advertisement, so they come to these sites and they start a contest where describing what they want to do. Let's say, for example, they're opening a new business, or they want to do a new advertising campaign, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. And they come to these sites, they are saying, hey, that company, I want to do this, and people give me suggestions of what to do. So you are entering a content, and this is where you come in. You become a writer, you give your idea about the slogan, and if your slogan gets picked up, you are able to earn good amount of money, and we're talking almost $1,000 here, which is very good money. So this is sloganslingers.com, guys. It's been there for a while. It's very good. It's almost 5 years running. We have been the world's #1 resource for new slogans and taglines, start on online slogan contests, register writers, and so on. If you're a company or an individual, you want to start a slogan, all you need to do is to hit the start slogan contest here, and then you go to a page where you enter your company's information and the advertising campaign you want to do, and people then will register and put their slogan related on these contents. As you can see, guys, it's a very good website. Entrepreneur Magazine have been featured this, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups, and so on. So how this works: so if you're a company, you go here, you start a contest, you tell the website what do you need, you set your price on how much you would like to pay out to the winner or the picked up slogan. And step 2, create slogans. Pour in, that's where we come in, and we say what it does, as it says here, what it does is writers submit their best work, and we go in and we put our slogan based on their demand, and we submit it. And last step is when the company choose the winner, they rank the entries, they select the best slogan, and if you are the winner, you get paid. But the thing is that there is a lot. So let's see, there is a lot of contests. You can participate in all of them. It's not just gonna be just one, yeah? So some recent slogan ideas from our writers. Let's see, we have a client here, Zozo's Burger Bar. Picasso use a canvas, we use a pen. Very catchy if you ask me. Legal artworks, we help juniors draw conclusions. Let's see, and again on Zozo's Burger, where cool people meet. Very nice. You see, it doesn't take too long. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words, guys. 10 words is the max I can see here. 3 words, 2 words, and you can make almost $1,000 just by typing this. So how does this work? All you need to do is to come here on the sign up. You're gonna go on the right side when it says writer sign up, because we're gonna be a writer. And as you can see here, it says earn money for your creativity. You can make up to $999 per contest minus the fees, and you can show off your skill against other writers from UK. Or as you can see from entries are kept confidential until the contest ends, so nobody can mimic your work, which is very good, because if you find something that is really catchy, you don't want other people to see it. So your work is kept confidential, and the most important thing of all, you don't need to have any down payment or sign up fees. So that's it. It's free and it's amazing. So you put your information, the basic information here, your email, username, and so on, your PayPal account where you want to get paid, and so on, and you start from there. And just go down and see, once you are a member, once the different contests are there, what you can choose, and you can put your slogan for a variety, so you have more options and more chances to do it there. And this is about this site, guys, sloganslingers.com. But in order to increase, because this is, you get paid only if you get chosen for your work, so you'll be able to put your work for multiple contents and are created. So this is one side, and I'm going to show you one more side. There's exactly the same logic behind it, so you can put your work on both sides, and you have more and multiple chances to get paid on both sides or on contents. The other one is called freelancer.com. And on Freelancer is a site where people go and assign jobs, and people that are part of this site, like us, when we're going to be a member, they can get these jobs and they can put their work, and if their work gets approved or get chosen, they get paid. So very similar to the other one, freelancer.com. They do have something about slogans. As you can see here, they give a small description. A slogan, also called a tagline, motto, or a signature, is a short phrase or sentence meant to gain attention for specific measures to cross quickly. So as you can see, people come here, with companies come here to create and get a slogan, like sloganslingers.com, the previous site we've seen, in order to use this for their business. They don't have the time, or maybe they don't have the creativity, the mind, the mindset to find the correct slogan, or they don't know, they don't want to pay time and attention to this, they focus to other things. So as you can see, there is a lot of contents here that you are able to open them, and you can see here what's going on. If you get chosen, you see there's $100 for this, $100, $461, $50, $40, $661, and you can see from here what they're asking. So if you, let's say for example, open one of them in order to see, suggest a technology startup name, slogan, and domain. So we are setting up a technology startup which will work on cutting edge technologies like blockchain, cloud, and mobility. We need the following: one name for the startup, slogan, domain name, must be easy to remember and catchy. So all you need to do is to just create from here. You can click on each of them to see the best, the more description, and you can see that the price for the winner that will be chosen for this are getting $100. So far there are 7 people submitted their work, and this is what they are looking for. And all you need to do, again, click the sign up, put your information, and start submitting work. So let me go a step back. Yeah, so if you go from here and you're able to submit, I don't know, there is 11 entries open just this moment as we talk about. Yeah, so let me close this. So there is 11 entries as we talk about right now, and then you go here and there is another 20-30 that you are able to submit. So you're putting only a few words on each entry, 10-15 words, and you are able to get maybe one of them, or maybe you get multiple winners on a content, and it's there, it's up and running, and it's very little work, very easy, free to do. So give it a shot. I think it's a very good way to make money, and if you get selected as a winner, with all the chances you put, I mean, you can put 30 different slogans out there, so maybe one or even more are the winning ones, and you get paid good money. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you like the content of this video. If you did like the content, don't forget to click the thumbs up in order to stay tuned and watch all my videos that are coming up for different ways to make money, to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, this is one of the ways I show you my #1 recommendation. It's always on the link below this video. Click the #1 recommendation, spend a few minutes there, and it will change your life, guys. It will change your life. Money will keep coming in once you set it up. Passive income every single day from the comfort of your house will change your life like it changed mine. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'm looking forward to see you to the next one. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the day. Bye bye for now.